With the new addition of skateboarding to the Olympics, a lot more people have been interested in learning this amazing sport. It's important to realize that skateboarding is a type of art where there is no real wrong way to skate. However, in skateboarding, as an art, while you get more experience, you might be drawn to a certain style. The two styles I'll be covering today are street or park skating and flat ground, also known as freestyle. Street or park skating is based more around ollies, flip tricks, and grinds. This is opposed to flat ground skating, which centers more around footwork, spins, and pogos. Keep in mind, both styles have endless possibilities and variations. Still, skateboarding is a sport. If you were running a marathon, you would use running shoes, and if you were hiking, you would use hiking boots. Both kinds of shoes work, but each one has a designed purpose. That same idea can be used when comparing street boards to flat ground boards. A street board is usually the type of board new skaters start with. It has a distinctive look to it with its sloped nose and tail, with a slight warp throughout the board to allow it to be flipped with less effort. In contrast, a flat ground board usually lacks these curves in favor of a flat surface to allow more room for footwork.